my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new here, welcome. Since you already decided to watch this video, just click the subscribe button because there are going to be more looks like this. And speaking of this look, I decided to do a end of summer makeup tutorial. I saw Jackie Arna do a video like this and I was like, okay, end of summer, you know, that sounds good. But I didn't want to do like light colors or anything like that. I wanted to do something that my channel doesn't have yet, which is a bold look like this. And yeah, I just wanted to do something more dramatic, something that I don't even do that often, but you know, I'm like trying new things out. So yeah, this is the look, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, what products I use, then just keep watching. My desk is atrocious, but I clean my brushes, so that's all that matters. Clean brushes. Going in with my Vaseline Lip Therapy Advanced Healing. This is my favorite chapstick ever. Alright, my face is already washed and moisturized. I have a skincare routine video in my list of videos, so if you're interested in seeing that, then you can go ahead. I don't know how to insert cards, but if I figure it out, it'll be right up here, or like right over there. Up here, right? Let's get started. I'm starting with the eyes first. I've been loving starting with the eyes first because it just gives you so much like room to play. You know, you don't really have to worry about messing up your foundation or your concealer that you just put on or anything like that. So I'm starting with eyes first. Once again, taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And now I'm putting the rest of that concealer on my eyelid as a primer, making sure that I get my base as smooth as I want it to be. And like the last time, I'll be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm using the shade Dark Golden. With the tapered e.l.f. brush, I'll be using that to set the concealer on my eyelid. Alright, so my eyes are all primed, and now I'm just gonna bring you guys closer so we can get more acquainted. So we can set the eyes. Starting with this Morphe brush. It came in a set, so it doesn't have a number on it, but it is tapered. Looks like that. So I'm gonna take this dark blue shade right here in the Morphe palette. I'm gonna start this in my crease. And I'm doing like circular motions in my crease so that swiping motion, sometimes my skin creates a fold and it won't reach that fold, and then it becomes all like hard to blend out and stuff. So I'm doing circular motions as I go in my crease. Same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna go in with this red shade right here in the 35B palette. Go over this blue with it. And I'm starting soft so it can naturally blend out, like starting with a soft hand. Pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Calling out the lines against the fire. Just keep blending it until you get the desired look. Don't you love when one eye doesn't look like the other? Yeah. Now on that same 217 brush, I'm gonna go in with this orange right here in the palette and blend like higher above the red that I put down. Taking that same 217 brush, going back in with the red, just going to blend it all together. And I'm just gonna keep going back and forth until I get it blended how I really want to. Alright, so I really like the way that this is looking. Now I'm gonna go back in with my concealer brush and I'm going to carve out my crease. Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go with this shade right here called Pool Party. Can I just start by saying that I did not plan on doing this look, but I just didn't want to do another gold, rose gold, brown tone, neutral. I just didn't want to do another neutral look, so I just had to like come harder this time, you know? Wow. I'm gonna start with the red shade again and just put that on top of the blue. Now going in with that blue shade and blending that into the red shade a bit. See, now we have like a nice little gradient effect going on. Y'all, should I go in with the white in the inner corner or green? And I'm asking y'all if y'all can answer this as if this isn't pre-recorded. Let's see. If I don't like the green, I can just go over it with the white to make it like frosty, I guess. Oh, the green is cute. The green is cute. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner. I really enjoyed this eyeliner the last time I used it. I did the eyeliner on this eye. I did like a little baby wing, nothing too dramatic. I'm gonna come back with my eyelashes on and show you guys the rest of my face. Alright, my eyelashes are on. I use the style Beehive by Kiss Lashes. And now I'm going to start working on my under eyes. I'm going to clean up the outer corner of my eye. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. That's inside of the 35B palette. With that 217 brush, I'm going to take that red shade again and just kind of like smooth out this crease. This lash line. Y'all, today I'm going to use this YSL primer that I got from Sephora. It's a Touche Éclat blur primer. What I can honestly say is that like this does like blur your face. Like I honestly feel like if you were having a no makeup day, you can just put this on and go. Now I'm going to take my concealer And I'm going to speed this part up for you guys. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in 330. Just taking 2 pumps of that foundation on my BH Cosmetics flat 117 brush. Looks like that. Next, taking my e.l.f. foundation palette to contour in medium dark. Using that on my Morphe M427 brush. I'm gonna go with my MAC 224 blending brush to contour my nose.
I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet little selfish.
Going back in with that concealer to now highlight the center of my face.
Little jealous, 'cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess.
I'm setting my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark golden. Yeah. Now with the Sephora setting brush, I'm going to deepen up that contour with my Black Radiance pressed powder in golden almond. So for blush, I'm actually going to use that orange shade that I used in my to blend out my crease a bit. This shade right here. I feel like that took forever, but my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and I think today I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter because I just feel like being extra with this look. I'm going to put my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara on my lower lashes.
Sweet little selfish.
So I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil in light brown, I believe. Yeah, in light brown.
Oh, I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess.
I'm taking what is now my favorite liquid lipstick. I'm taking Autocorrect from ColourPop. And now going back in with my Revlon lip gloss in the color Sandstorm. I went over my lips with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Strawberry Parfait. This is the really like bright pink one, and I love it so much. I decided to take my 217 brush and kind of go back in with both the red and the orange shade to kind of smoke out the bottom a bit because it was just looking a little too undone at the bottom. So this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.